today we're going to show you how to recycle some old plastic tubs and make them beautiful things that you can use around the house.
Yep, like gardening baskets or you know, like drums or anything.
We're going to show you first how to make a
Drum!
Okay. The first thing you need to do is take this bucket and remove the handle. Alright? I've got this leather type of paper that's self-adhesive. We need something like that for the top of the bucket.
Yeah, so it doesn't tear and rip and you know that.
So trace the circle, trace around the bucket top. You need to cut around the circle but leave an inch space around where you cut. After we stuck the paper on, we wrapped some string around it to hold it together. And now we're going to decorate the bottom part
like
a rainbow look. Perfect.
Come on, just a bit more. Now that we've finished, my mom's just going to cut out the last piece. And then
to secure the ribbons better in place, it's probably a good idea to just put a dot of hot glue. We can stick it at the bottom as well. Just do one from the bottom.
You missed that part.
This one. Wow, seriously, look at this amazing
Drum.
shiny, sparkly drum.
Oops. I'll hold it.
Okay, ready, Sissy? Okay. Put some pom-poms and some sticks and we're gonna glue them on together. That's the first one. Thank me for using the pom-poms because this way it's not gonna be too noisy. And this way you don't damage the surface as well. Do you like your drum?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the next thing we're going to show you is how to make a basket.
And for that, you need some type of jute string. You can use a simple one or something that looks more like a braided kind of jute ribbon. Okay, we're gonna use the normal jute string and it's really simple.
That way.
All you need to do is start by putting a drop of hot glue and
It's here.
twirling it. No, we're starting from here. And just twirl it like this around. So you put the glue on and you just stick the jute on like this. Just keep trying to. Oh, that was hot.
Can I just try
That was
using the
so hot. Finish the bottom part and now we're going to continue rolling the string around here. Come on, Sissy. I'll put the glue for you and you can wrap it. Don't put the glue on your hands. It's hot.
Mommy, steam.
I keep burning my fingers.
Can you make some
So
more
you just need to
steam?
put a few dots. And roll and you just keep rolling and rolling.
Which is a bit hard for somebody just to roll and...
It's a bit tedious, but you know, it looks really nice at the end. We kept rolling the jute all the way to the end, and this is a finished one that we've got. It looks really beautiful. I took my time doing this one. We also wrote some jute onto the handle, and it looks like a beautiful basket. You can put anything inside it. You
Yeah,
can,
like us, because we just quickly put it some of the plants.
Yep, you can put a plant in here. You can put your pens in here, and it looks really beautiful. It looks like a real basket.
Yeah.
Now on to the next project.
Yep, which is
What do you think we should do next? So we're using some craft sticks and a bigger bucket to make a basket that we can put in our bathrooms for the tissue rolls. Let's start, Cece. First thing to do is take this off, and we'll reattach it later on once we've wrapped it up.
But it doesn't matter.
So push them in like this, okay? This way we'll have all of them exactly the same, and this way we can cover the bottom.
We just need to test them. Like, I'll tell you. So, what I mean is like this, we can leave one space and do another, like a beautiful pattern. What do you think?
Next one.
Oh, I told you.
Next one. Come on, quickly. Unfortunately, while we were working, the camera decided to stop working, and we lost the footage of us continuing putting the sticks on and sticking the jute rope on top of it. But basically what we did is we just stuck on the rest of the sticks, and then anywhere where we had some gaps, we got some smaller size sticks and we just glued them on, and then we just wrapped some jute string around the bucket to give it a more of a basket.
Good luck.
Yeah. We want to do the same thing again and just do another layer of jute string around here. Okay? Wrap it around. And then just put another sort of glob of hot glue here.
No, not a huge glob. You know, like just a bit of glob, right, Mom?
A bit of a glove. So we're done with this part. So we've got some white cloth. This is an old pillow that we don't need anymore, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this part to stick it in here and give this really nice look, because we've got some lace here.
You're going to cut my hand.
How am I gonna cut? Look at where your hand is and where the scissors is. Okay. Cut out the extra fabric that we don't need. So we'll just start by cutting it here. Just start sticking it.
Mommy, how'd you like Poppy's new hairstyle?
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous.
Poppy, Poppy. I should.
Take this part in like this. Glue it onto itself so that you don't have a nasty looking cut over here. Got this part inside here, so it looks like it's got cloth inside. So just stick the rest of the cloth inside here. We've got this lace, and we're gonna cover the handle with it.
How are you going to stick the handle back on?
Hot glue. So it's just gonna look like this, and we're gonna cover it from both sides so it'll look pretty. The lace on. Okay.
It's very hard. Don't just dots. Not string on me.
Just put, please, just dots, 2 dots. We've got this part on.
Let me just cut that off. That part off.
And then just
Okay, good. Right.
here. Okay, enough.
Quick. It was going to slip, Mom.
Yeah.
Where'd you move it?
Because you're putting it slip.
No.
Right, and we just hold it in for a little while. And this is the finished basket. Don't you love it?
Yeah,
Absolutely love it.
and you have to leave it for like 1 hour.
Yeah, once it dries up completely, then you can pick it up with this. But for now, just leave it.
Yeah, because look how it moves.
I absolutely love it. So the fourth idea we've come up with is we're gonna cover up the bucket with some clay and incorporate some gemstones and some little stones into it. It's gonna look so sparkly, and it's gonna be a pot plant.
Oh. Clay.
Take it out. Oh, first thing we need to do is we're gonna take the handle off, put it right here, and we're just gonna take some clay pieces.
Can you give me some?
Yeah, of course. Here we go. And then you're just gonna start covering the whole bucket with it. need to squeeze it, make it thinner.
It's too strong.
Yeah. Finish putting the clay on the bucket.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've covered it up from all sides, and now we're gonna start adding the gemstones. So I think we'll do like a pattern. What do you think, Sis? To push them in,
Why?
so they can stick into the clay. Yeah, lovely. Oh, I think you need it. So we'll leave a little bit of space and then put these on. It's gonna be a very, very sparkly pot.
Now that we're done putting these gems, we're going to put like some big gems.
So we're gonna decorate the top part with some more gems. This is gonna be one sparkly
Pot.
pot. And I think it would look so nice if it had some white flowers inside it. So just smooth out any places where it doesn't look very nice. You can just get some water and dip your fingers in and just smooth it out. And then you just let it dry, and once it's done, if you'd like to paint this part, you can, but we want to just keep it white because white and pink look amazing together. What do you think, Cece?
Yeah.
I love, love, love how it looks. It's so sparkly. It's the most sparkly pot I've ever seen. Lovely.